Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about something truly empowering, your smartphone. Many of us have these incredible devices in our pockets, but sometimes they can feel a little overwhelming. Perhaps you found yourself squinting at tiny text, or struggling to hear a loved one during a phone call. Maybe the sheer number of apps and settings makes your head spin. You are certainly not alone in feeling this way. The good news is, your smartphone is designed to adapt to you. It's packed with hidden features and simple adjustments that can make it much easier and more enjoyable to use. You don't need to be a tech wizard to unlock these benefits. Our goal today is to walk you through some practical, step-by-step solutions. We'll show you how to customize your phone so it truly fits your individual needs and preferences. Think of these as simple, straightforward adjustments for enhanced usability. By the end of our time together, you'll have a clearer understanding of how to make your smartphone a more helpful and friendly companion. Let's dive in and discover how to make your phone work better for you. One of the most common frustrations we hear is about unreadable text. It's hard to enjoy your phone when you're constantly struggling to see what's on the screen. Let's tackle this head-on. For those of you with an iPhone, adjusting text size is quite simple. Start by opening your phone's Settings application. You'll then want to look for and tap on Display and Brightness. Within this menu, you'll find an option labeled Text Size. Tapping on this will bring up a slider. You can drag this slider to the right to make the text larger and more comfortable to read. If you need even bigger fonts, there's another helpful setting. Go back to the main Settings and menu, then tap on Accessibility. From there, select Display and Text Size, and then toggle on a larger text. This provides even more significant text enlargement options. Now, for our Android users, the process is very similar. Begin by opening your Settings application. Once inside, look for the Display option and tap on it. Here, you'll typically find options like font size or a screen zoom. Tapping on these will present you with a slider or various size options. Adjusting this slider will increase the size of both text and icons across your phone. Experiment with these settings until you find a size that feels just right for your eyes. Don't be afraid to try different levels until you achieve optimal comfort. Making text larger can truly transform your daily phone experience. As a bonus tip, let's talk about screen brightness. Many smartphones have a feature that automatically adjusts brightness based on your surroundings. This can be incredibly helpful for eye comfort. On Android phones, this is often called adaptive brightness. On iPhones, it might be True Tone or Auto Brightness. You can usually find these settings within the Display and Brightness section of your phone settings. Enabling automatic brightness means your screen won't be too dim in bright sunlight or too glaring in a dark room. It makes reading easier and is much gentler on your eyes throughout the day. It's a small change that makes a big difference. Clear audio is absolutely essential for effective communication, especially during phone calls. It's frustrating when you miss important details because the sound isn't clear or loud enough. Let's explore how your phone can help. Many smartphones are designed with built-in hearing support features. For those who use hearing aids, many devices are M/T compatible, meaning they can work seamlessly with your hearing aids for clearer sound. Check your phone specifications or your hearing aid provider for details. If you have better hearing in one ear than the other, your iPhone offers a feature called mono audio. You can find this in its settings, then accessibility, and then audio/visual. When enabled, mono audio combines the left and right audio channels into a single stream, so you don't miss anything if you're only listening with one ear. Both iPhone and Android phones often have a balance slider for audio. This allows you to send more sound to your stronger ear, making conversations much easier to follow. Look for this setting within the accessibility or sound options. Now, for a real game changer, phone noise cancellation. This incredible feature actively reduces background noise during your calls. Imagine talking to someone in a busy restaurant or near a noisy street and still being able to hear them clearly. On iPhones, this feature is typically found under Settings, then Accessibility, then Audio/Visual, and it's called Phone Noise Cancellation. Make sure this is toggled on. For Android, it might be in your Call Settings or iSound Settings, sometimes labeled as Noise Reduction or Noise Suppression. Enabling noise cancellation significantly improves voice clarity, especially in noisy environments. It helps filter out distractions so you can focus on the conversation. This can make a huge difference in the quality of your phone calls and your overall communication experience. Your smartphone isn't just for calls and messages, it can also be a vital tool in an emergency. Presetting your emergency and medical information can literally be a lifesaver, providing crucial details to first responders when every second counts. Let's start with iPhone users and the Medical ID setup. Open the eHealth app on your iPhone. You'll usually find it on your home screen. Once in the Health app, tap on your profile picture, which is typically located in the upper right corner. From there, select Medical ID. Here, you can add important information like medical conditions, allergies, medications you're taking, and your blood type. Crucially, you can also add emergency contacts. These are people who should be notified in case of an emergency. Make sure to enable the Show when locked option. This allows first responders to access your medical ID from your lock screen without needing your passcode. For Android users, your phone also has robust safety and emergency features. Start by navigating to your phone's settings. Then, look for and tap on Safety and Emergency. Within this section, you'll find options to add medical information and emergency contacts. Take the time to fill these out thoroughly. Include any relevant health conditions, allergies, and medications. Just like with iPhones, ensure that your emergency information is set to display on the lock screen. This is a critical step, as it allows anyone assisting you to quickly find vital details without unlocking your phone. Setting this up provides immense peace of mind for both you and your loved ones. Sometimes, the sheer number of apps and options on a smartphone can feel overwhelming. All that screen clutter and complexity can make it difficult to find what you need. Fortunately, there are ways to simplify your phone's interface. For many Android phones, there's an easy mode designed to streamline your experience. To activate it, go to your phone's settings. Then, look for Display and tap on it. Within the display settings, you might find an option for Easy Mode or a Simple Mode. Turning this on will transform your phone's interface, giving you bigger icons and simplifying the layout to show only essential apps. It's a great way to reduce visual clutter. iPhone users have a powerful feature called Assistive Access. This mode creates a highly simplified interface, perfect for those who prefer a very straightforward experience. You can find it in its settings, then Accessibility. With Assistive Access, you can choose a few key apps that will appear with large, easy-to-tap buttons. It limits distractions and makes your phone incredibly intuitive to use. It's like giving your iPhone a friendly, simplified makeover. Beyond these dedicated modes, both iPhone and Android offer accessibility shortcuts. These allow you to quickly activate certain features with a simple gesture, like a triple click of a button. You can assign features like the magnifier, easy mode, or assistive access to these shortcuts. This means you can switch between modes or activate helpful tools instantly, without digging through menus. It's about making your phone respond to your needs with minimal effort. Typing on a small screen can be challenging, especially if you have arthritis, tremors, or simply prefer not to type. Mobility issues can also make navigating a phone difficult. The good news is, your voice can be your most powerful tool. Both iPhones and Android phones come with sophisticated voice assistants ready to help. For iPhone users, it's Hey, Siri. For Android users, it's Hey, Google. Activating them is usually as simple as saying their name. You can enable these voice assistants in your phone settings. For Siri, go to Settings, then iSiri and search. For Google Assistant, open the Google app, tap your profile picture, then iSettings, and Google Assistant. Make sure the Hey Siri or Hey Google detection is turned on. Once activated, your voice assistant can do so much. You can simply say, "Hey, Siri, call John," or, "Hey, Google, send a text to Mary saying I'll be there soon." They can also set reminders, tell you the weather, or answer questions. Another fantastic capability is having messages read aloud. If you receive a text, you can ask your assistant to read it to you. This is incredibly helpful if you're busy, driving, or just prefer to listen. Perhaps one of the most transformative features is voice-to-text functionality. Whenever you see a keyboard pop up, look for a small microphone icon. Tapping this icon allows you to speak naturally, and your phone will convert your words into text. This feature is a game changer for sending messages, writing emails, or even searching the internet. It completely bypasses the need for typing, making phone use accessible and enjoyable for those with arthritis, tremors, or vision challenges. Embrace the power of your voice. We've covered a lot of ground today, from making text larger to using your voice for hands-free control. Remember, your smartphone is a powerful tool, and with a few simple adjustments, it can become an even more helpful and friendly companion. We talked about fixing small text and icons, making calls clearer and louder, setting up emergency information, simplifying your phone's interface, and using voice commands. Each of these tips is designed to make your phone work better for you. It's perfectly normal to feel a little overwhelmed by technology sometimes. The key is not to try and do everything at once. We encourage you to pick just one tip from today's session that resonates with you and try it out immediately. Perhaps you'll start by adjusting your text size, or maybe you'll set up your medical ID. Taking one small step at a time will help you feel more confident and less overwhelmed. You'll be amazed at the difference these simple changes can make. We hope this guide has been informative and encouraging. Your journey to a more accessible and enjoyable smartphone experience starts now. Feel free to revisit these tips whenever you need a refresher. We invite you to engage with these features and explore your phone's settings. There's a whole world of customization waiting for you. Thank you for joining us today, and happy customizing!